Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm creating this very subtle golden brown Diwali inspired makeup look. So if you want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. To soothe out my dry patches, I'm first applying the hydrating primer by Makeup Forever on the areas where my skin flakes the most. Because the rest of my face falls under the normal skin type, I'm applying the Milani Prime Perfection Hydrating Primer. To fill in the pores of my forehead and my nosy, I'm using the Baby Skin Insta Pore Eraser Primer. And for the pores under my eyes, I'm using the Benefit Professional Primer because I have huge pores in this area, so they require a bit more love and care. For foundation today, I've mixed two shades of PAC HD liquid foundation. First is the shade in 1.7 and then the second is in the shade 3.9 because my skin shade gets a little lighter during the winters, and to blend it I'm using my trusted old Damp Beauty blender. Of course you can use a brush if you want more coverage. To hide that darkness under my chin and dark spots on my forehead and my nosy, I'm using the PAC Day Cover Concealer in the shade Stark Nude, and I'm blending it using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cups and Lashes. To bring some brightness at the high points like my under eye area, forehead, chin and nosy, I'm using the PAC Day Cover Concealer in the shade Beach Sand, and to blend it I'm again using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cups and Lashes. To give my face some structure and dimension, I'll be cream contouring my cheekbones, circumference of my face, my jawline and my nosy using the NY contour stick in the shade Raising Toast. To blend it, I'm using an angled flat topped kabuki brush, and for my nose I'm using a smaller pencil brush by Real Techniques. And to bring back some warmth to my face, I'll be bronzing my face using the Hoola bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics, and this will go right above my contour. I'm using an angled brush to blend it into my skin. For powder, I'm using the new Masterfix Setting Loose Powder by Maybelline. Now, personally, I don't like to use powders because I have a dry face, but I'll be setting my areas where my concealer creases the most. To bring some color to my cheeks, I'll be using these three shades from Sivana Color Ultra Blush Palette. I'll first use this angle brush to deposit my blush, and then I'm blending it with my powder brush by Real Techniques. And for highlighter, I'm using the shade Summer from the Sun Dipped Glow Kit palette by ABH Cosmetics on the highest points of my face, and I'm using a fan brush to apply it. To clean up underneath my brows, I'm using the PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Beach Sand, and to set it, I'm using my Masterpick Setting Loose Powder by Maybelline. For my brows, I'm just filling in the sparse areas with this brown shade from Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm using my spoolie to spread the color across so that it looks more natural. And to get those dramatic straight edges, I'll be using a sticky tape. To set and seal everything in place, I'll be using a setting spray, and this one's PAC Prep and Prime. To warm up my crease area, I'm first blending this very warm nude brown shade Raw Sienna from Modern Renaissance palette by ABH Cosmetics with my larger blending brush by Real Techniques. I'm further deepening my crease with this brown shade from Smoky Obsessions palette by Huda Beauty. I'll first deposit it using my pack brush in the style 126, and I'm blending it away with my smaller blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. Next, I'm saturating my lid with this yellowish golden shade from Smoky Obsessions palette by Huda Beauty with my flat brush by ABH Cosmetics, and I'm cleaning its edges using my flat short shader brush. To line my upper lash line, I'm using my Superstay All Matte Liquid Lipstick by Maybelline in the shade Delicate. And I'm using my small liner brush to apply it. To smoke out my lower lash line, I'm using this yellowy shade from Autumn Smiles palette by Nika K with my pack brush in the style 126. Next, I'm stamping the same brown eyeshadow from Smoky Obsession palette by Huda Beauty just under my waterline. And to brighten my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm using this shimmery gold shade Primavera from Modern Renaissance palette by ABH Cosmetics with my smaller pencil brush by Real Techniques. And for lipstick, I'm applying the Superstay All Matte Liquid Lipstick by Maybelline in the shade Delicate. And to finish up my eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that, I'll be curling my lashes and coating them with some mascara. This one's Total Temptation by Maybelline. And for falsies, I'll be applying the Gloomier lashes in the style Starlet. And here is the finished look. I've paired it up with my bindi, black suit and dupatta, and for jewelry I'm wearing my gold jhumkas. I love how subtle yet festive this look is. Totally wearable for that fireworks session or a Diwali card party, whichever one you're attending. So if you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left all the product information along with my socials in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much. Have a happy and a safe Diwali. Bye guys.